And we gonna roll the dice for you today, co-creators, and get your aligned angel number. And we gonna pick 3 that shoot out at us. 9, 9, 9. Ashe, and Spirit says 9, 6, 6. Ashe, now we just got these numbers in our podcast episode 3 from yesterday. Ashe. So for some of you, go check that out. So 966. In order to increase your awareness, be radically honest with yourself. In order to increase your awareness, be radically honest with yourself. 999. Spirit says is the end, but co-creator, it is truly where you begin. Ashe. 999. Now we don't try to not burn down the place. So the Divine Mother Mary is supporting you as you move back to a sense of wholeness. Welcome home to your heart. Namaste and Ashe, co-creator.